SRC proudly recognizes South Miami Hospital's dually accredited Surgeons of Excellence in both minimally invasive gynecology and robotic surgery. These medical professionals are leaders in providing safe, innovative, and patient-centered care through Baptist Health's Miami Cancer Institute in South Florida. SRC is a nonprofit patient safety organization that accredits the top hospitals and surgeons worldwide.
Accreditation for the Center of Excellence in Minimally Invasive Gynecologic Surgery was something we felt was important to our institution. We had excellent surgeons and we had excellent nursing staff and pathologists, but it really wasn't coordinated together. And so by going after this accreditation, it really forced us to make sure that we were all aligned in our mission to improve surgical outcomes for women. And so this helped come together the group of not only excellent surgeons, but our nursing leadership, our pathology, and our ancillary services to make sure that we have the best possible outcomes for these patients after a minimally invasive approach. And also to ensure that we hold everyone accountable to these outcomes. With this designation, it means not only that you have one surgeon with this expertise, but we have an entire program dedicated to this. And so it brings up the entire hospital system. When you want surgery, you really want to go to a high volume surgeon who has expertise in the field and who's looking at their outcomes and making sure that not only you're doing the surgeries well, but the patients are doing well after surgery. And so this accreditation allows us to capture that data and look to make sure that all of our patients are having excellent outcomes, and then we can identify things if we ever found outliers.
My team and I are very committed to creating an environment of trust and support for our patients so that when they come to see us, they can have their stress related to their diagnosis, their medical appointments, their procedures minimized to the extent possible while we're trying to optimize their outcomes.
So I think this is really important that patients understand that we're here as a team to support them from their first diagnosis through their surgery, their last chemotherapy when they ring the bell, and even afterwards in surveillance and survivorship, and that we're going to be with them every step of the way. And that's one of the nice things that we have here. Under one roof, you have all of these support services, so you're not having to go to different areas. Everything is under one place. All of your providers, physicians, nutritionists, your physical therapists, we're all communicating and we're all working toward one goal, which is to give this patient this personal experience with gentle touch and help guide them not only from time of diagnosis, but through years to come as they continue to follow up with us and have they beat this disease. When it comes to surgery, we're also very fortunate. We have the latest technology for the robotic platforms, and we've been leading South Florida for years in adopting these technologies and helping patients achieve the great surgical outcomes they have, but with less side effects of traditional open approach.
Robotic surgery has truly revolutionized the field of minimally invasive surgery. It allows us to do major surgeries in a minimally invasive way.
Robotics and any minimally invasive platform, mostly we use robotics here, definitely helps patients go home the same day. The biggest benefit of robotic surgery or minimally invasive surgery in general is the recovery is much better. Quicker return to function, whatever that might be for you, whether it's physical activity, work, taking care of kids, just allows you to get back to your normal life and kind of put the surgery behind you quicker.
These SRC accredited Surgeons of Excellence are dedicated to a better overall surgical experience for their patients by delivering personalized treatment options through minimally invasive surgery and providing exceptional comprehensive support services. For more information or to schedule an appointment, call 786-596-2000 or visit miamicancerinstitute.com.